nobody should stop you, but also we also encourage our older generation, our leaders who are older than us, other organizations like the KAS, that let us collaborate together, hold hands together so that we can be able to invest properly in the young people of this nation. I thank you.
Maybe you can give her a better clap, please. We have to support our women in leadership. All right, I'm told this podium should go up. Can I help? Okay. Yeah, this is better. I can see all of you now. Now, I want to call Honorable Alex Matere, who is a youth policy expert. Please, you can do a minute and a half so that Baba cannot, we cannot delay Baba for other things. Thank you. Clap for him, please, as he comes to address.
Thank you so much, Honorable Mukunji. Allow me to stand on the already established protocol, but with special mention to His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka, who gave me an opportunity to serve in his office as an intern immediately after I finished my university education. The theme for this conference is transforming a nation. But when I was given the theme by my friend Nathaniel Akadima, I decided to tweak a bit. And I